Everyone has a camera in their pocket, but what if I told you that your phone could be an ATM? Today, I'm revealing an app that pays you real money for the photos you already take every day. No, this isn't a scam. This is a legitimate app called Foap, and very few Nigerians know about it. I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up, upload your first photo, and start earning. Stay tuned, because you could be earning your first 50,000 naira with your smartphone by the end of this month. Welcome back to Earn Smart Nigeria. You know we're all about finding those hidden gems and untapped opportunities. And today's gem is Foap. In a market where everyone is talking about Fiverr and Upwork, we're going to talk about an app that allows you to turn your photography hobby into a passive income stream. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves taking pictures of beautiful things, this video is for you. What is Foap, and how does it work? So, what exactly is Foap? It's a marketplace for photos. Businesses, brands, and marketers from all over the world need photos for their websites, ads, and social media. Instead of hiring a professional photographer for thousands of dollars, they can buy high-quality, authentic photos from you on Foap for a much lower price. How you get paid? When a company buys your photo, you get a 50% commission. Photos typically sell for around $10, so you get $5 per sale. But here's the best part. You can sell the same photo multiple times. That's the passive income part. The missions. Foap also has missions. These are specific requests from brands. For example, a beverage company might ask for photos of people drinking their product. If your photo wins, you can earn anywhere from $50 to hundreds of dollars. This is where you can make some serious cash. Step-by-step guide for Nigerians. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. This is the part that will separate you from the rest. Step 1. Downloading and signing up. Go to your App Store or Play Store and download the Foap app. The sign-up process is straightforward. Step 2. Building your portfolio. Don't just upload any photo. Think like a marketer. What kind of photos do businesses need? Photos of Nigerian food, cityscapes, people working, everyday life, and local events. Upload at least 10 to 15 high-quality photos to start. Step 3. Mastering the keywords, the SEO for Foap. This is the most crucial step. When you upload a photo, you need to add tags and keywords. Instead of just food, use Nigerian jollof rice, African cuisine, local food. Be specific. Step 4. Getting paid. Foap pays through PayPal. This is where many Nigerians get stuck. But don't worry, I have a solution. In my next video, I will show you how to set up a verified PayPal account in Nigeria and how to withdraw your funds directly to your bank account. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video. So there you have it, an underdog app that can help you start a genuine side hustle right here in Nigeria. The beautiful part is, the photos you take for fun today could be earning you money for years to come. Your challenge for this week: download Foap. Take 3 high-quality photos of something uniquely Nigerian and upload them with detailed keywords. Then, come back to the comment section and let me know how it went. If you're ready to unlock more of these hidden money-making secrets, smash that like button, subscribe to Earn Smart Nigeria, and hit the bell icon. Until next time, stay smart and keep earning.